Hey, it's me, Resto-Rob, and welcome to the Resto-Rob channel. Today, we got a gift from Junkyard Necromancer of a big-ass Bonney wrench. So, let's clean this up. And then this one, 1176, one size up, came from our good friend Bryan Jolley. So Bryan, awesome. We're gonna clean this one up now. So I've got the 1159, 1160, missing 1161, 1162, 1163, 64, 65, missing 66. We got 67A. And 67 being the 7/8. 67A is the 13/16, missing the 3/4. We've got the 1 inch, which is 1170, so we're missing 1168. We've got the 1171. And thanks to Junkyard Necromancer, we've got the 1174. And thanks to Bryan Jolley, we have 1176. So for this set, we're just missing a few pieces. Here is the inch and 7/16, 1176. Here is our inch and 5/16, 1174. And the newest addition I just received is our 1 1¼ inch, 1173. So again, thanks to all those that have sent me Bonney stuff. I appreciate it. This big boy and this other big boy are pretty awesome. So thank you guys. As always, stay safe, and we will check you later.